All right, gang, here's what you've got going on for today. It's going to be a really quick day for you guys, okay? Your social studies project, you're going to be finishing it up. You want to make sure that you're completely done with this brochure. You want to make sure that you check your rubric, not only for the project, but also for the compare and contrast writing that you have to do. Here is the brochure that you need to have completed. You need to have put the state in here, those interesting facts, your packing list, all of that should be done now. All of this should be filled out. Now remember, check with your rubric. Did I include 7 interesting facts? Do I have 2 interesting pictures? Did I list some activities out, some famous sites? Did I do all of that? And then did I do my flip grid? Remember, you have to do a flip grid for this. Then you want to do your compare and contrast. Did you compare and contrast New Jersey to the state that you did? And go ahead and write as much information as you can about your compare and contrast, okay? Don't forget that when you look at your social study, when you look at the assignment, here's the flip grid right here. Once you click on that, it'll take you right to the project, okay? And you create your commercial. Remember, you're creating a commercial that is advertising for your state to get someone to come to your state, okay? So that's your social studies project. Science. Here's your science project. Your science is you're going to be completing a Kahoot. Then you're going to be doing the energy poster. Then you're going to be watching the YouTube of me reading, and you're going to read along with me, and you're going to complete your notes pages. Your notes pages should be over here. Here they are, right there on Monday. So go to Monday, complete your notes pages. And then you're going to do the chemical energy slides. And then lastly, your math. There is a video here that's going to show you exactly how to do the project, okay? So make sure you work on that. And that's it for the day, okay? You guys have a very, very, very happy holiday, and I will see you in the new year.